Hi guys, welcome to reasoning class. This is Madhu, faculty for arithmetic and reasoning. Right? So today we'll see number series questions. In the question paper, right? We'll see question number 1. "25, 26, 28, 31, 35 question mark." Then what will come in place of question mark? Very simple. This is incremented by +1, this is incremented by +2, this is incremented by +3, then next incremented by +4, definitely next incremented by +5. So that is 35 plus 5 is equal to how much? 40. Then see question number 2. "75, 74, 72, 69, 65. If you observe the series, this is decremented by -1, this is decremented by -2, and decremented by -3, decremented by -4, right? Next decremented by definitely -5, that is 65 minus 5 is 60. Then see question number 3. Question number 3. So that is 32, right? 34, 37, 42, 49 question mark. Now see the answer. If you see here, this is incremented by +2, this is incremented by +3, and this is incremented by +5, and this is incremented by +7, means prime numbers, and definitely next incremented by +11. So 49 plus 11 is nothing but 60. Then see question number 4. "62, 60, 57, 52, 45 and question mark." Now again, if you observe the series, this is decremented by -2, decremented by -3, decremented by -5, decremented by -7. So next decremented by -11, means prime number series, means 45 minus 11 is nothing but 34. Then see next question number 5. 16, 18, 22, 28, 36 question mark. If you observe the series here, this is incremented by +2, this is incremented by +4, this is incremented by +6, this is incremented by +8, next definitely incremented by, means 2 to increment, +10. So 36 plus 10 is 46. See question number 6. 90, 80, 72, 66, 62 question mark. If you observe the series, very simple, minus 10, minus 8, minus 6, minus 4, so definitely next decremented by minus 2. The answer will become 60. Then see the next question. Question number 7. $75, $76, $79, $84, $91 question mark. If you observe the series, right, this is incremented by plus 1, incremented by plus 3, incremented by plus 5, incremented by plus 7, means odd numbers. Definitely next incremented by plus 9. So 91 plus 9 is 100. Then see the next question, number 8. 85, 95, 103, 109 question mark. Again, if you observe the series, 85 to 95 incremented by plus 10, again incremented by plus 8, next incremented by plus 6, definitely next incremented by plus 4, means 109 plus 4 is 113. See question number 9. 80, 89, 96, 101 question mark. If you observe the series, this is plus 9 and again this is plus 7 and this is plus 5, so definitely next incremented by plus 3, so 101 plus 3 is 104. Question number 10. 18, 38, 58, 78 question mark. Again, if you observe the series, incremented by 20, again incremented by 20, again incremented by 20, then definitely next incremented by 20. Then 78 plus 20, the answer will become 98. Next question, number 11. 17, 27, 37, 47 question mark. If you observe the series, each time incremented by 10, 10, 10, next also definitely 10, then 47 plus 10 is 57. Question number 12. 13, 19, 25, 31, 37 question mark. If you observe the series here, each time incremented by 6, again 6, again 6, again 6, definitely next also 6, that is 37 plus 6, his answer will become 43. Question number 13. 100, 94, 88, 82 question mark. If you observe the series here, this is decremented by minus 6, again minus 6, again minus 6, next time also definitely decremented by minus 6, that is 82 minus 6, the answer will become 76. Then next question, number 14. If you see here, question 70, 69, 66, 61, question mark. Again, if you observe the series here, minus 1, minus 3, minus 5 means odd numbers decrement. Definitely minus 7. That is 61 minus 7. The answer will become 54. Then see the next question. That is 15. 95, 85, 77, 71, question mark. Again, if you observe the series here, it is decremented by minus 10, again decremented by minus 8, again decremented by minus 6, definitely next decremented by minus 4, means 71 minus 4, the answer will become 67. Right, see the next question, number 16. The question is 100, 91, 84, 79, question mark. Again, if you observe here, each time it is decremented by minus 9, again minus 7, again minus 5, means odd numbers decrement. Definitely next time decremented by minus 3, means odd numbers and each having the difference of 2. That is 79 minus 3 is nothing but 76. Right? Then see next question. Question number 17. One not 5, 95, 85, 75, question mark. Again, if you observe the series here, each time it is decremented by minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, next time is also minus 10, means answer will become 65. Question number 18. 120, 114, 108, 102, question mark. Again, if you observe the series here, each time it is decremented by minus 6, minus 6, minus 6. Then again 102 minus 6 will become answer is 96. Then see the next question, number 19. 5, 9, 17, 33, question mark. Again, if you observe the series here, the gap here is plus 4, again gap here is plus 8, again gap here is plus 16, means the next gap is double. 4 doubled 8, 8 doubled 16, definitely next gap 16 double is 32, so that is 33 plus 32, answer will become 65. Then see the next question, number 20. 4, 9, 20, 43, question mark. Again, if you observe here, how the series is going is 4 into 2 plus 1, 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 9. Again 9 into 2 plus 2, 9 2 is 18, 18 plus 2 20. Again 20 into 2 40, 40 plus 3 43. Again 83, 43 into 2 plus 4. So that is 42 in 43 into 2 is 86. 86 plus 4 is answer will become 90. Means the series is multiplied each time by 2 and incremented by plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 like that. Then see the next question, number 21. 8 comma 15 comma 29 comma 57 comma question mark. Again, if you observe the series here, very simple. 8 into 2 16 minus 1 15, 15 into 2 minus 1 30 minus 1 29. Again 29 into 2 58, 58 minus 1 57. Again 57 into 2 minus 1, then answer will become 113. So here the series is each time multiplied by 2 and subtracted by minus 1. Then see the next question, question number 20. Seven comma 16 comma 34 comma 70 comma question mark. Again, if you observe the series here, very simple. That is 7 2s are 14 plus 2 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 plus 2 is 34, 34 into 2 68, 68 plus 2 is 70. Again 70 into 2 140, 140 plus 2 is 142. So the series is each time multiplied by 2 and added by 2 only. Then again, if you see the next question, number 23. 5 comma 8 comma 14 comma 26 comma question mark. Again, if you observe the series here clearly, is very simple. 5 into 2 minus 2, again 8 into 2 minus 2, again 14 into 2 minus 2, again 26 into 2 minus 2. So that is 26 into 2 52, 52 minus 2, the answer will become 50. Again question number 24. Right, if you see here question number 24, 3 comma 4 comma 7 comma 11 comma 18 comma question mark. So this series is very simple and regular question in exam point of view. Very simple. 3 plus 4 answer will become next 7. Again 7 plus 4 answer will become 11, the next number. 11 plus 7 answer will become 18. Again next number is 11 plus 18, the answer will become 29. Means to get the next number, to add before two other numbers. Right, next question number 25. If you see here series 5 comma 8 comma 13 comma 21 comma 34 comma question mark. Again this series also same thing. If you add 5 plus 8 to get the next number 13, again 18 plus 13 to get the next number 21, again 21 plus 13 to get 34, again 21 plus 34, then answer will become how much here? 55. So very simple, the number is added with the two other numbers before it to get the next number. Question number 26. 24 comma 39 comma 416 comma 525 comma question mark. Again, if you observe the series here clearly, very simple, 2, 2, 2 square, 3, 3 square, 4, 4 square, 5, 5 square, then next definitely 6 and 6 square. 6 is 6, 6 square is 36. Then the next number is 636 is your answer. Then see the next question. (27) 13, 17, 25, 32 and question mark. If you observe here clearly, very simple, that is 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, that is 13 plus 4 to get 17. Again, if you see here, 1 plus 7 is equal to 8, that is plus 8, it will become 25. Again 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, that is 25 plus 7 is 32. Then 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, then 32 plus 5, answer will become 37. Important question, make it round 27. Next, number 28. Question number 28. 12, 15, 21, 24, question mark. Again, if you observe the series here, it is incremented by plus 3, then next incremented by plus 6, again it is incremented by plus 3, next incremented by definitely plus 6. Means if you see alternatively, plus 3 plus 6, plus 3 plus 6, that is 24 plus 6, answer will become 30. Then see the next question, question number 29. Important question, this is also make it round. 14, 17, 50, 25, question mark. Again, if you observe the series here, very simple. If you observe the series here, very simple. That is 1 square plus 4 square is equal to 17. Again 1 square plus 7 square is equal to 50. Again 5 square plus 0 square is equal to 25. Then 2 square plus 5 square is equal to 29. So then the next number will become 29. Important question, number 29. Then see the next question, number 30. So that is 13, 18, 23, 28, question mark. Again, if you observe the series here very clearly, this is incremented, again incremented, again incremented, and next incremented. So here each time incremented by plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, that is 28 plus 5 is 33. Then question number 31. C, F, I, L, O, question mark. If you observe the series here, C is 3, F is 6, I is 9, L is 12, O is 15. Means each time gap is 3, gap is 3, gap is 3, gap is 3. And the next gap is 3. 15 plus 3 is 18. The 18th alphabet is R. Then see the next question, 32. Z, W comma T comma Q comma N comma question mark. Again, if you observe the series here, 26, 23, 20, 17, 14 means each time decremented by minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Then 14 minus 3, 11. The 11th alphabet is K. Then 33, N comma O comma Q comma T comma question mark. Again, if you observe the series here, very simple. N is 14, O is 15, Q is 17, T is 20. Means it is incremented by plus 1, it is incremented by plus 2, it is incremented by plus 3, next incremented by plus 4. Plus 4. That is 20 plus 4, 24. The 24th alphabet is X. And see 34. W comma V comma T comma Q comma question mark. Again, if you observe the alphabetical series is 23, 22, 20, 17 means decremented by minus 1, decremented by minus 2, decremented by minus 3, next decremented by minus 4. 17 minus 4 is 17 minus 4 is 17 minus 4, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 17 minus 4, 13. The 13th alphabet is M. Okay, right. Then see question number 35. R comma P comma N comma L comma question mark. Again, if you observe the series 18, 16, 14, 12 means each time decremented by minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Then next decremented by minus 2 means 10. 10 is which alphabet? That is J. 36, T, V, X, Z question mark. Again, if you observe the series, T is 20, V is 22 and this is 24, again this is 26 means each time incremented by every alphabet plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Then 26 means Z only. Again plus 2 means 28. The 28th alphabet is nothing but B. That is A is 27, B is 28. Then if you see the next question 37, that is A, E, I, M, Q question mark. Again, if you observe the series here 1, 5, 9, 13, 17 means, okay, if you see here the gap is 4, gap is 4, gap is 4, gap is 4, that is again gap is 4 means 17 plus 4 is 21. The 21st alphabet is U. Means 4 alphabets are skipped between them. Then question number 38, E, J, O, T, Y, D question mark. Again, if you observe the series 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Why 30 means the Z alphabet is 26, isn't it? Plus 4 is 30D. Again 35. 35 means D is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. The 9th alphabet is I. So like that the series is going. Then question number 39. B4, D16, F36, H64 and question mark. If you observe here, B is 2 and 2 square, D is 4 and 4 square, F is 6 and 6 square, H is 8 and 8 square. Then 2, 4, 6, 8. Then next you will get as 10. That is J. And again 10 square is 100. That is your answer. Then next question, number 40. Question number 40. EF11, GH15, IJ19, comma question mark. Again, if you observe here, E is 5, F is 6, 6 plus 5, 11, G is 7, H is 8, 7 plus 8 is 15, I is 9, J is 10, 10 plus J, that is 10 plus 9 is 19. Then the next alphabet is EF, GH, IJ, KL. K is 11, L is 12, the sum will become 23. Then see the next question, number 41. That is AB2, comma CD12, comma EF30, comma question mark. Again, if you observe the alphabetical series clearly, A is 1 and B is 2, 1 into 2, 2. Again C is 3, D is 4, 3 4 the 12. E is 5, F is 6, 5 into 6, 30. Then the next one is GH. G is 7, H is 8, 7 8 is 56. Again, if you observe the next question, question number 42. RC, PE, NG, LI, question mark. Again, if you give numbering here, R is 18, P is 16, N is 14, L is 12, means each time decremented by minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. 12 minus 2 is 10, the 10th alphabet is J. Again, if you observe other alphabet, C is 3, E is 5, G is 7, I is 9, means 3, 5, 7, 9 means each time incremented by plus 2. Mean 9 plus 2 is how much? 11. The 11th alphabet is K. That is your answer. Again, question number 43. A, N, B, O, C, P, D, Q, question mark. Again, if you observe the series, A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4, next alphabet is E, that is 5. Then again, N is 14, O is 15, P is 16, Q is 17, then the next alphabet definitely 18, that should be R. Then the answer will become E, R. Then see question number 44. NV, LX, JZ, HB, question mark. Again, if you observe the series here, N is 14, L is 12, J is 10, H is 8, means each time decremented by minus 2. means 8 minus 2 6, the sixth alphabet is F. Again V is 22, X is 24, Z is 26, again B is 2, means each time incremented by plus 2. Again 2 plus 2 is 4, the fourth alphabet is D. Next, number 45. Sorry, this is 45th question and this is 44th question. No problem. A, Z, B, Y, C, X, D, W, E, V, question mark. Means very simple question it is. Opposite letters. If you write A to M and again N to Z, reverse. R 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next alphabet is 6, that is F. Again 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, then next one is 21, that is U. So like this also the answer is correct. Right? We will see the next question. Yes, 46. Forty-sixth question. KP, IR, GT, EV, question mark. Again if you observe here, K is 11, I is 9, G is 7, E is 5, means each time decremented by minus 2, that is 3 minus 5 minus 2, 3, the third alphabet is C. Again P is 16, R is 18, T is 20, V is 22, and next alphabet is 24, that is each time incremented by plus 2. 24th alphabet is X. 47. JY, HA, FC, DE, question mark. Again if you observe the series J10, H8, F6, D4, means each time decremented by minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Then 4 minus 2 is 2, the second alphabet is B. Again Y is 25, A is 1, F is 3, D, E is 5, means each time incremented by plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Then 5 plus 2, 7, the seventh alphabet is G. Then next 48. SA, QC, OE, MG, question mark. Again if you observe the series here completely, S is 19, Q is 17, O is 15, M is 13, A is 1, C is 3, E is 5, J is 7, means 19, 17, 15, 13, means each time decremented by 2, means 11. 11th alphabet is K. Again 1, 3, 5, 7, then the next alphabet is 9, I is 9. Then see the next question, 49. VA, TC, RE, PG, question mark. Again if you observe the series, V is 22, right, T is 20, R is 18, and again 16, means each time decremented by minus 2. 16 minus 2, 14. 14th alphabet is N. 1, C is 3, E is 5, J is 7, means each time incremented by plus 2. then 7 plus 2 is 9. The ninth alphabet is I. The answer will become Ni. Then last and final question for today's session, paper explanation 50, is AH, CJ, EL, GN, question mark. Again, if you observe the series here clearly, A1, C3, E5, G7. So next alphabet is 9, that is I. H8, J10, L12, N14, then the next alphabet is 16. Why each time incremented by 2, both first alphabet and second alphabet, and 16th alphabet is P. So the answer will become IP. So by this, the total 50 questions are completed, paper explanation. If anybody having a doubt, then ask me in the later classes. Thank you guys. Take care. Take care. This is Madhu, faculty for reasoning.